It's true.
Right.
And another example, what my resume tells you, I've been in a BPO, I've been a barista, I've been a zookeeper, I've been an exotic dancer, among others. It only means I'm versatile and I'm welcome to change.
Yes, the jack of all trades.
But master
Master
none.
of, well, who knows? They might be a master of a lot of it.
Well, that's what they say with jack of all trades, because you dabble in so many things, you're never the best in one. So it's kind of true though. Like for example, diba si Michael Jordan, after he quit basketball, he tried baseball. He's a good athlete, but nowhere near what he was able to do as a basketball.
Because he was a master at it.
Exactly. And another example, what my resume tells you, I've worked with all your rival companies, so you know I have valuable information. Oh yeah.
Because you have all of the
Trade secrets.
tea.
And another example, what my resume tells you, my skill set is flexible. I can do programming one moment and water dispenser refilling the next. So yeah,
Walang pili.
walang pinipiling trabaho, basta something needs to be done. If I can do it, I will do it. And one last, what my resume tells you, bawat company na lipatan ko, pataas ng pataas ang position ko. So it only means I only get better at my job. I never go down, I never downgrade. I always upgrade.
It's always important to upgrade.
Right?
Get better. Do your best. Right.
And so there you go. Like, what does your resume tell people? Well, tell us all about it. x.com/rx931. Please include hashtag the morning rush and hashtag what my resume tells you in all your posts.
Yes, it is Riot Wednesday today, so playing all of the hits from the 2000s, 2010s, and of course at 7 a.m. Something special coming your way, you know what that is. But before that, let's play you Michelle Branch, One of These Days. Hope you enjoy this, only here on The Monster, this Valentine's season.